George 21, we're going to be full pursuit of 14 out with the gun. Southbound through the projects. We're going southbound towards Carl Place.
Unit 16 George 21 is in full pursuit of a 415 man with a gun in the project southbound towards Carl Place. Requesting a backup for your new supervisor. Unit, this officer needs help in the project southbound towards Carl Place. Officer needs help southbound towards Carl Place. Shots fired.
Stop, I'm gonna shoot you! Get on the ground, dude. Turn around.
This officer needs help in the project southbound towards Carl Place. Officer needs help.
Hey, turn around. Turn around. Put your hands on the top of your head. Hey, that car left. Hey, we got a vehicle. It's going to be a black BMW. It's going to be leaving. Hurry up, bro. Put your hands on your back so we can get your Nari.
We're going to be posting. Carl, please.
You get him, glove up.
Yeah, I got him. Put your hands behind your back.
That's for the plate was 147.
BMW northbound Lehigh from NI Circle 6 on Carl, northbound midlock at building 24.
Hey, bro, put your hands behind your back.
You good, Danny?
Air 16 is around.
Hey, I'm gonna recover the firearm just because it's the punch.
We're good. We have enough.
Hey, man. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Stop breathing. There's so much. I'm going with the RA.
I was gonna go with Jerry.
You're going?
I was gonna, my partner's right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go here.
All right, where's
Right
your
here,
stop?
over there. It's on the other side. Watch behind you, watch behind you, watch behind you. Hey, stay back, stay back, stay back. We're going with him. We're going with him.
You say you're going to hospital?
Going to hospital.
All right.